Wireless 3D scanner review. Go3DPro Einstar Rockit wireless handheld 3D scanner in action. Ever tried scanning a part and felt the cable fighting you more than the software? The Go3DPro Einstar Rockit wireless handheld 3D scanner changed that for me. I remember freezing mid-scan, tangled in a cord, watching tracking drop. It was chaos. If you've wrestled with wired 3D scanning before, you know exactly that frustration.
You upgrade software, you recalibrate, you adjust lighting. Still, there's that quiet pressure when alignment slips or detail looks soft. The brain fog kicks in after the third failed pass. Most handheld 3D scanners promise speed and precision, but cables, surface limits, and weak tracking slow everything down. There has to be a cleaner, smarter workflow. Then, everything changed when I found the Go3DPro Einstar Rockit wireless handheld 3D scanner. Don't just pick any handheld 3D scanner. Make sure it has true wireless operation with dual light laser precision, so you never waste time on cable drag and lost tracking again. The first time I used it on an automotive bracket still mounted inside an engine bay, I didn't have to reposition a laptop or dodge a wire. It just moved with me. Let me be honest, that freedom alone felt different. The 38 crossed blue laser lines cover large areas fast, while the 7 parallel laser lines dive into fine edges and tight geometry with up to 0.05 millimeter high-definition resolution. The infrared rapid mode handles larger objects and even works outdoors in bright light. Marker-free tracking on feature-rich surfaces saves prep time, and the swappable battery keeps you scanning without forced breaks. Here's what surprised me most. The scan data came out clean, dense, and ready for CAD with far less cleanup than I expected. After weeks of real-world use, the long-term benefits become obvious. You move faster. You scan more naturally. You spend less time fighting setup and more time refining design or inspection work. That shift compounds across every project. In professional forums, users consistently praise the wireless freedom and dense laser coverage. One mechanical engineer shared that scanning legacy machine parts directly on the shop floor cut his inspection turnaround dramatically. A 3D tech reviewer highlighted how the 38 laser lines balance speed and detail in a way entry-level scanners simply don't. Even artists mention how the 0.05 millimeter resolution captures surface texture cleanly enough for serious digital sculpting work. Now, let's address the main hesitation, the learning curve and PC requirements. Yes, you need a capable computer for best performance, and yes, mastering laser modes takes a few sessions. But XStar Hub's guided workflow reduces guesswork, and once you understand when to use laser HD versus infrared rapid, it becomes second nature. Quick question, are you scanning mostly mechanical parts, large objects, or artistic models? That answer usually determines how powerful this tool feels in your hands.
Imagine walking around a full object with zero cable drag, capturing dense, accurate 3D data in real time with the Go3DPro Einstar Rockit wireless handheld 3D scanner. Thousands of engineers, designers, and creators are already integrating wireless 3D scanning into their daily workflow with measurable efficiency gains. The result is simple: more control, cleaner meshes, faster turnaround. If that sounds like the upgrade your workflow needs, check the affiliate link in the description and pinned comment. Explore it calmly, review the specs, and see if it fits your projects.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.